Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of tech that promises to untangle your entertainment and productivity setups. The AIMIBO HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver. For anyone tired of wrestling with long, unsightly HDMI cables, this system offers a truly liberating experience for streaming video and audio across significant distances. This isn't just a simple extender, it's a comprehensive solution. Operating on the less congested 5.8G frequency, it ensures a stable and reliable connection, delivering crisp 1080p video and audio without the frustrating dropouts or lag often associated with wireless systems. Whether extending a Fire TV stick to a backyard projector, a laptop to a conference room TV, or a satellite box to another room, the AIMIBO handles it with impressive fidelity. The range is genuinely remarkable, boasting up to 656 feet line of sight. This incredible reach provides immense flexibility, allowing users to place displays exactly where needed, free from cable constraints. Imagine the possibilities for large homes, offices, or even temporary outdoor setups. What truly sets the AIMIBO apart are its advanced features. The KVM functionality is a game-changer for productivity. It allows a user to control a remote computer using a keyboard and mouse connected to the receiver unit. This means a noisy PC can be tucked away, yet still fully accessible from your main workstation or living room display. It's incredibly powerful for home offices or server management. Adding to this convenience is the IR remote pass-through. This clever feature enables a user to control their source device, be it a cable box, Blu-ray player, or streaming stick, directly from the remote display's location. Complete control is at your fingertips. The HDMI loopout on the transmitter is another thoughtful inclusion. It allows for a local display to be connected to the source device, while simultaneously sending the signal wirelessly to the remote receiver. This is perfect for monitoring content or for having a primary display in one room and an extended display in another, all from a single source. Furthermore, the system's support for multiple transmitters and receivers offers significant scalability. A user can build a customized wireless distribution network, sending one source to several displays, or easily switching between multiple sources on a single display, adapting to diverse setup requirements. In summary, the AIMIBO HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver is a robust, feature-packed device that consistently delivers on its promises. It provides excellent 1080p wireless video and audio, an exceptional range, and a suite of advanced functionalities like KVM, IR remote, and loopout that genuinely enhance its utility. For anyone seeking to declutter their space, extend their media, or gain seamless remote control over their devices without the hassle of cables, this system stands out as a highly compelling and effective solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.